We live by a quiet assumption, an invisible equation that shapes our days. As the world behaves, so will I. If people are kind, I stay calm. If circumstances go well, I feel secure. If things fall apart, I fall apart. But that equation is backwards. The deeper truth is this: as I am within, so my world appears. When we misunderstand this, we spend our lives trying to fix what is outside: people, systems, situations, believing peace will follow once they change. But the inner world is not a reaction. It is a generator. Before a word is spoken, it is thought. Before an action is taken, it is intended. That intention, invisible, silent, is your first karma. We think karma begins with behavior. It begins with thought. Every thought is an energetic act. When I say I'm stressed, it isn't casual. It is an affirmation. When I repeat nothing works out for me, I am programming expectation. When I believe people can't be trusted, I filter life through suspicion. We are always affirming something. The question is, are we choosing it? Two worlds operate at all times: the outer world, work, health, relationships, economy; the inner world, perception, interpretation, emotional posture. One of them must be stable. The outer world is increasingly unpredictable. Technology shifts overnight, markets fluctuate, plans change, people surprise us. If we anchor peace to external certainty, we live in constant instability. But if we stabilize internally, if we decide, I choose steadiness, I choose dignity, I choose clarity in my response, then even turbulence cannot dismantle us. Your thought is not a reaction to life, it is participation in life. Thought becomes vibration. Vibration shapes behavior. Behavior creates consequence. This is not mystical, it is mechanical. Plant irritation internally and it will surface in speech. Cultivate calm internally and it will appear in action. The outer world often reflects the inner one, sometimes slowly but consistently. Practically, this means becoming mindful of inner dialogue. Replace "I'm overwhelmed" with "I am capable." Replace "they made me angry" with "I choose my response." Replace "nothing works" with "solutions are forming." This is not denial, it is direction. Affirmation is intentional thought selection. Repeated thoughts shape identity. Identity shapes destiny. Life will still challenge you. People will disappoint you. Plans may fail, but you will not collapse internally, because the equation has shifted. The outer world does not create your inner state. Your inner state influences your experience of the outer world. Talking intent is your first karma. Your thought is your first action. Your awareness is your first power. And when the source changes, the stream must follow. Not instantly, but inevitably.